Greetings, graduates of the Culinary Institute of Charleston. I offer you my heartfelt congratulations on this momentous occasion. I say momentous because if you remember from past classes with me, many of my projects that you have completed, have been in far more detail than the ones that I did in the MBA program. So let that sink in for just a minute. You've done MBA level work and within a restricted 7-week time frame. If you can do that kind of work and be successful within 7 weeks, you can pretty much do whatever you set your mind to. I will unfortunately not be able to attend and congratulate you in person on Friday, but as much as I don't miss sitting next to Chef Gronert in a cramped seat during graduation, he smells like Wiener Schnitzel, and on the other side, Chef Carmel, who bathes in Axe body spray, I will miss the opportunity to congratulate you in person. When you see Chef Carmel and Mr. Rex, you'll be receiving one of these ambassador coins. They represent who we are and what we stand for. They'll tell you more about them. I will look forward to our paths crossing again.